Hi, my name is Charlie Hund, and my final presentation is on the dilemma of should mechanical engineering students take the FE before graduation. And to start out, I'll just like to give a scenario. So imagine two graduating engineering students. They're applying for the same job. Both have similar grades and experience, but one has passed the FE exam and earned engineer in training status. Which candidate is likely to stand out? Um, so I'll have that. I think we'll be able to answer that question once we get to the end of the presentation. Today I'll be discussing whether mechanical engineering students should take the Fundamentals of Engineering, or FE exam, before graduation. Looking at my main points, first I'll explain what the FE exam is, then I'll talk about the benefits of taking it early, then I'll look at the costs and challenges, and then finally I'll provide my recommendation. So to start out, what is the FE exam? So the FE exam is a national exam administered by the NCEES, and it's the first step towards the PE licensure. And PE licensure is professional engineer. It's typically taken during senior year or shortly after graduation. Now that we've discussed what the FE exam is, let's look at why many students choose to take it. So some benefits of taking the FE exam early. It demonstrates technical competence, it increases professional credibility, and it's good to take when material is still fresh from coursework. So like when you're finishing out college, your senior year, or shortly after you graduate is a good time to have all that material that you've learned in college fresh in your head. The FE exam also creates opportunities in consulting, government, and infrastructure-related careers. Although there's benefits, there are also some important challenges to consider. So looking at the costs and challenges, registration fees and study materials, those cost a decent amount of money. It also costs a lot of time for preparation and time and effort to study for this exam. Licensure is not required in every engineering field, so not every student is going to need to go for this FE licensure. And some students may never need a PE, professional engineering license, depending on their career path. So after considering both advantages and disadvantages, we can evaluate whether taking the FE exam is worthwhile. So my recommendation, I strongly recommend for students considering PE licensure to take the FE exam directly after college or in your senior year. It's valuable for students seeking long-term career flexibility, and it's best taken while academic material is still familiar. In conclusion, I'd like to review some of the key points. FE exam, first step towards becoming professional engineer. It offers career advantages and professional credibility. However, it requires both financial and time commitments. For many engineering students taking the FE exam before graduation, it's going to be a smart investment that can create additional opportunities throughout their careers. Thank you.